Hello friends, are you a struggling freelancer to generate consistent income for your freelancing services? Here I bring the perfect solution for you. Hi, this is Jan, and in this video I am going to tell you something about sales funnel and how we can scale up your freelancing business using sales funnel. In this entire video, I am going to tell you exact proven strategy which helps you to grow your business. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for your regular updates. First of all, understand what is sales funnel. Sales funnel is an entire sales journey of your prospect. Suppose you have given a quote to someone who might be interested in your services. After some time, they will not going to get back to you. So what happened? We are not going to follow up them. So in each and every business, you need to follow up them through proper mechanism. So for this process, for this follow process, you need to have a funnel. So in this funnel, you just bring down your customer to complete their sales journey. This is a step-by-step process where visitors land to your funnel or portfolio website. They give some certain actions. They provide some information. So they provide some contact information so that you can nurture them and also follow up them through email marketing process. So this is the sales process. So this is a sales funnel. So sales funnel consists of particular set of actions like lead magnet, like bridge pages, like sales pages, then payment gateways. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything about sales funnel. So stay tuned and let's get started. Sales funnels are the entire sales journey of your potential customers through full email automation. Let's understand this concept step by step. Suppose you have a website or a landing page or a sales funnel which have visitors landing on it. These are still visitors of your website without any interaction with you. So our first major step should be to collect their contact in the form of emails or phone numbers so that we can contact them back. There are 4 components of sales funnel. First is awareness. They are aware about your website and services. That's why they are landed to your website. Interest. You can generate more interest by offering some freebies like white papers, case studies, ebooks, etc. Decision. Since you are already mailed them previous client case study and your portfolio, now it's time to do continuous nurture through email marketing so that prospect make the final decision. And what we do action? Everyone likes discount and looks for great deal. So it is a perfect time to close the deal by offering discounts, coupons and seasonal festive offers. What is lead magnet? Your website have clear call to action buttons so that visitors will put their contact information. Email automation is that on the basis of their interest, it's time to send emails continuously so that cold visitors will convert into warm audiences. You can offer case study, white papers, success stories, portfolios, testimonials, which you collected from your previous clients. This will bring more trust on your services. Now at this stage, your visitors are no more cold audience. Now they know about your services and how you can help them to increase their business. So you can nurture them and you can make one-to-one strategic call session with him. So your cold audience is warm now. Book the one-to-one strategic call with him and close the deal. These are the best tools for funnel creation. You can avail all the mentioned tools by clicking below in the description. Anyone can use funnel for promoting their freelancing skills and services. Likewise, online freelancers, creators, digital marketers, and entrepreneurs. Value-added services are still not able to close the deal then need not to worry, since they are in your email list and you can nurture them anytime, so no need to worry. Give them discounts, coupons, and convince more about your value added services. What are the frequently asked questions? Yes, you can create everything from scratch without investing any single penny. Just join the tools from the description below. And these tools are very user friendly, so no need to hire developer. All are having simple drag and drop builder mechanism, so you can manage it own. Automation is a real beauty of the entire sales funnel. So this is the beauty of sales funnel. So yes, automation is possible. So I hope you got lots of information in this particular video. If you have any doubt, any questions, feel free to ask through comment box. You can also follow me on my social media accounts. You can also ask questions there itself. So I hope you like my video. Feel free to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. In this channel you will get lots of idea about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, freelancing, mechanical engineering, CAD engineering. Lots of information you will get in this entire channel. So please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications. Thank you so much.